In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Hostinger invoice. Managing your web hosting expenses is an essential part of running a website, and having your invoices handy can really help you keep track of your payments. Whether you need an invoice for accounting purposes, record keeping, or reimbursement, Hostinger makes it quite simple to access and download them. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. To start, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's login page by typing in the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. Once there, enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. If you happen to have forgotten your password, don't worry. You can easily reset it by following the instructions on the login page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation sidebar. This is where you'll find various options to manage your account settings and services. What you'll want to do next is click on the option labeled Billing. This will take you to a section dedicated to your billing details, where you can view and manage your payments and invoices. Now, direct your attention to the tabs at the top of the page. Here, you should see a tab titled Payment History. Go ahead and click on that. This section conveniently lists all the payments you've made to Hostinger, offering a clear overview of your transaction history. It's an invaluable resource if you ever need to cross-check past payments or troubleshoot any financial discrepancies. Within your payment history, browse through the list to find the specific transaction you need an invoice for. This could be your latest payment or perhaps an older transaction. Just take your time to locate the correct one. Each transaction is listed with relevant details, including the date and the amount paid, so it should be fairly straightforward to identify the one you are looking for. Once you've found the transaction, you'll notice a button next to it labeled either Invoice or Download. This is your gateway to the invoice itself. Click on this button, and just like that, your invoice will download directly to your device. Hostinger provides the invoice in a PDF format, which is quite convenient because it's a universally accepted document type that maintains all formatting across various devices and operating systems. Make sure to save this PDF in a secure location on your computer for easy access whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Hostinger invoice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Have a great day.